So, hello YouTube. Another day, another problem. This is my PC, and I actually found a way to make the light on the phone stay on. So you can see something. Back here we got the north bridge. I turned the light off because it's annoying when I don't have the side plate on the fan, or chassis, sorry. And here I got a digital sound card. Here I got my graphics card. And over there I got my integrated card for the motherboard. I have tested the machine without no sound card and still the same shit. I am currently using two plugs on the power supply for my hard drive and DVD. The graphics card used the power plugs that came out of the power supply. It's dumb to add more cables in the computer when it's finally running more than 1 minute. Here is my temperatures, and it's been running for like, what can it be, 10 minutes. What I did to make this run is I reboot and go to BIOS, and I'll show you. It might actually change the screen to analog and put my other computer on the screen. I have two running, one on the digital and one on the analog side. So I don't know about that. Yeah, it changed the computer. Digital. Thank you. So, soon we will see something. Over here in the BIOS, I did set the RAM to 1066 megahertz. I set those to 1600 megahertz, the specified level now when it's running. And I did set the voltages a little higher. A guy on YouTube told me that, so I tried that. It did a blue screen right away. Also, before I exit this, I want to show you my DRAM timings. I have set the timings as good as I know. The last digits from here to here, I don't know what they are supposed to be. Neither these or these digits down here. So if you know what those digits are, please tell me so I can set those manually. I don't have too much experience with overclocking, so yeah. Let's boot this PC into Windows again with the right speed on the memories. I can live with a little lower speed, but since I paid for the memories at 1600 megahertz, a beep error. Welcome. I think that was the graphics card. It sometimes does that. I don't know why. You have to turn it off and then turn it back on again. We turn it off and on, it works. That is another issue on this computer. It's like, can you hear that? That is a noise my power supply makes when, yeah, I don't know. That sounds nasty. I don't know what the fuck that is. It sounds really nasty. I have no clue what that sound was. Can you still hear it? My damn power supply is making noises. It's like an electrical noise, like I have a problem describing it. It sounds like if jumping electricity from one capacitor to another capacitor. Something along those lines. Or a serious grounding error. I have really no clue. But the computer is running the memories at the correct speed now. And let's see if we get a blue screen of death. Again. Let's pull up the temperature monitor on this screen. I run the test at blend. This is more interesting. Blue screen. Alright. Let's reboot. I have no clue what that did not sound good. I reboot this to get into BIOS again. I was hoping this computer would go into sleep mode soon, so this won't happen no more. So let's drop these down to 1300 megahertz. Still the voltages are the same. I don't think there would be a major difference in performance between 1300 megahertz and 1600 megahertz, but yeah, no clue about that, but really, let's see how this goes, and I will soon turn this computer off just to get this annoying thing go away. So it ran a lot longer on 1066 megahertz. So let's try 1333 megahertz. That may be a difference, but the power supply is not sounding good, nor is this blue screen. Now we drop it even further. And it will switch the screen again. So it did pause there. Let's drop it even further. Let's drop it to 1066 again. Half the RAM speed approximately, no, not half, but not as high as it should go. Let's see what the voltages are on the RAMs. 1.68, 69. Maybe if I drop the voltages a little bit. If I set them to 1.67, that might just work. I'm guessing the voltages measure all the RAMs and not just the first RAM or last RAM or whatever. I assume it's all the memories. But I'm really not sure about that sound that came out of the power supply. That's why I think I might have a busted power supply.